This is a Hyundai HX160 excavator, and we have this one equipped with a Werk Brau dual lock quick coupler. What the dual lock represents is the fact that it has two locking mechanisms, one in the front here and one in the rear. This front one will lock the upper bucket pin, and in the case that maybe the backlash didn't catch, the bucket will not fall off. When it's in fully latched position, both this upper pin and a lower pin will both have pressure to them to maintain the buckets being secured. This also has an indicator on the top. It's easy to visually see from the cab that allows you to tell whether the pin is locked or not. When this yellow segment just protrudes past the coupler, you know that the upper pin is definitely locked, and the lower one should also be locked at the same time. We have this one powered up with controls of the Hyundai excavator. Werk Brau also has their own style controls that can be installed on a machine that does not have quick coupler controls in it already. But our Hyundais are factory equipped with coupler controls to operate this coupler. This is the upper half of the dual lock part of the coupler. This is the actual locking mechanism that locks the pin to the upper pin location. This part here is the part that you would see when it's unlocked. This will be flush with this gray section, so the yellow will go down. In the bottom side, there's another yellow paw there that grabs the lower pin to lock the lower part. As we illustrated earlier, when you're swinging it back and forth, if the lower isn't caught, the upper one will still hang on the bucket so you won't drop it on anyone.